Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the Rohingya people from the world's largest Rohingya refugee camp in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. We are one of the most persecuted vulnerable communities in the world. Today, we would like to respectfully raise our concerns regarding the healthcare challenges faced by our community and request urgent support from the government of Bangladesh. Humanitarian organizations, donors, and health agencies and international community. We request the provision of the hepatitis B vaccine to all uninfected individuals within the Rohingya community. Preventing infection through vaccination is one of the most effective ways to protect lives and reduce the future burden of disease. We request proper screening and testing for individuals who are infected with the hepatitis B virus, including HBsAg, HBV, DNA, RNA testing. We also request access to a full course of antiviral treatment, including medicines such as Indicovi for patients who require treatment. Early diagnosis and continuous medical care can help prevent serious liver complications and save lives. We request immediate access to treatment for people infected with hepatitis C who test positive for HBV RNA. Treatment should be provided before patients develop severe complications such as swelling of the legs, abdominal swelling, liver cirrhosis, liver failure, or the need liver transplantations. Early treatment is far less costly and can prevent unnecessary suffering and death. We request a reduction in the cost of medical tests, consultations, and treatment at local hospitals. Many Rohingya patients are unable to afford these expenses due to the lack of income and financial resources. We kindly request that private hospitals provide at least a 30% discount for Rohingya patients to make healthcare service more accessible and affordable. Remark, we respectfully request the government of Bangladesh, camp authorities, local communities, healthcare providers, and humanitarian organizations to work together to ensure that these healthcare needs are addressed and the vulnerable patients receive the support they urgently need. As refugees, we have limited opportunities to earn an income and very little ability to save money. When a family member becomes seriously ill, many families are unable to pay for the necessary medical tests, medicines, or treatment. This financial burden causes significant hardship and suffering. Therefore, we request greater support to reduce healthcare costs for vulnerable people within our community. We also request better coordination among health facilities, operation with the refugee camps. People organizations provide similar medicine and service, while specialized tests and treatment are often unavailable inside the camps. As a result, patients are forced to seek care at local hospitals, where the costs are often beyond their means. We encourage all health organizations to work together to expand healthcare services within the camps and provide more comprehensive treatment options. Healthcare is a fundamental human right. Every person deserves access to life-saving vaccine, essential medicines, medical testing, and quality treatment regardless of their financial situation. We sincerely appeal to governments, humanitarian organizations, donor healthcare agencies, and compassionate people around the world to stand with the Rohingya community and support access to affordable and effective healthcare for all. Thank you very much.